So last night when I was making my video, and at the beginning I said that I'd spilled water all over the place, which would have been right around here. Funny story, I just spilled a cup of water all over my desk and in my lap, so this should be interesting. To add to an already stressful day, I might add, I actually spilled it and didn't realize it till after I had finished recording. I got it all over my Corsair mechanical keyboard. So I turned it upside down, there was water all in it, the light started flashing, so I got up and I unplugged the USB as fast as I could, and I've been letting it overnight sit on top of this little space heater right here, trying to dry it out. I'm going to give it all day at work. I'm getting ready to go to work now. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning, and hopefully it dries out enough, and we'll check it out when I get home, because if that keyboard's gone, I'm gonna be pretty disappointed. Never seen that thing before. A puchia. See if we can catch them. Hopefully I'm getting this on the camera. 1, 2. Got them. So let me tell you how much of an idiot I am. I started off my last video by saying that I spilt water all over my desk. And then I filmed that whole video about my changes and anxiety, And then when I got done and I turned my camera off and I went to type something, I noticed something weird going on. Basically, the water had went off my desk and straight into my Corsair mechanical keyboard, and the lights, the LED lights, were just flashing at me, and things were going wacky all over my computer screen. So I hurried up and unplugged the USB. I tried to take the water out of it and turn it upside down, and it turned out there was like a lot of water that got into it, but I don't think I unplugged it in time. So my dumb ass had an idea. I'll just go ahead and take the keyboard and try to warm it up a little bit to try to get the water to evaporate and do it anyway. So overnight I decided to sit my keyboard on top of this space heater. Well, I set it to low, thinking that, you know, just a little bit of heat ain't gonna hurt nothing, it'll absorb into the keyboard and it'll dry it out. Well, I was wrong. By the way, it doesn't matter that this happened, because the keyboard still don't work, but still, if it could have worked, that would be a different story. But look at this. It actually melted the keys on the keyboard. Like, these red spots are from where I took the red gaming WSD stuff off. But yeah, it straight melted some of the keys. Some of them don't even, like, the inner key don't even work anymore. The space bar is all bowed up. So the F9 key don't even do anything. Like, I'm an idiot. I told y'all in the video yesterday that I was having a bad day and that my mind wasn't right, and this just goes to prove it. If you ever spill water on your keyboard, don't ever sit it on a space heater to try to dry it out, because that's just stupid. Don't do what I did. Do as I say, not what I do. Now I had to buy another keyboard. That sucked.